Only 1 in 500 design simulations meets the aerodynamic standard to enter real production.
Adjusting the angle of attack now. See how the pressure shifts.
Yes, the transition is smooth.
The materials must be ultra-light, yet endure relentless high-speed pressure.
In near-perfect synchronization, the molds roll into the presses before the doors seal and the cycle begins. Every millimeter of the nose is tuned down to thousandths of a millimeter for low-drag research performance. Each composite panel must hold a tolerance of few 0.02 millimeters before fine cutting begins. Cut edges must be flawless to lock in strength when the airframe is assembled. All materials are now tuned and balanced, ready to become the skeleton of the new research jet.
The primary frame is the spine of the jet. Only 1 in 200 passes our straightness and rigidity criteria.
A frame that passes here is ready to receive its electronic brain.
Roger that. We have positive alignment. Proceeding with locking sequence. Over.
The robotic actuators apply controlled torque to the tail, while the sensors log the deflection, stabilizing within the safe band.
Check the tolerances on section 4 alpha. The reading here seems off.
I am showing green across the board on the schematic.
Let's run the diagnostic again, just to be sure.
With the skeleton approved, the jet now moves to receive its non-military control systems.
This cockpit is built for high-speed research, not for combat.
Every circuit must pass hundreds of safety checks before a single engine ever starts.
Torque checks complete on the mounts.
Harnesses are secure and latched. Ready for system checks.
The electronic nervous system is now alive and fully integrated with the structure.
Transfer line from Systems Hall to Engine Integration Bay.
All teams confirm alignment. Begin micro-adjustment descent, port side. Hold steady.
Each titanium fan blade weighs only a fraction of a kilogram, yet withstands forces tens of times its own weight. Every joint in the engine casing must seal to near-perfect tightness. Simulation confirms that propulsion and control now work together as a single, stable system.
Pins clear, confirming green.
Roger that. Checklist finalized. You are clear to proceed.
42 separate torque points lock every engine securely in place before the jet ever moves under its own power. With propulsion integrated, the jet advances to its external finish stage.
This non-reflective industrial coating protects the skin and manages temperature over thousands of hours.
All systems light up cleanly, green across the board for final release.
This first low-speed run is the final rehearsal before the jet is handed over.
Pure technology, pure precision.